The blockchain and cryptocurrency world is filled with technologies aimed at enhancing transactions from one end to the other. Others are embedded with tools to help the blockchain develop, create, and deploy concepts that will help solve transactional problems. However, this development is faced with several drawbacks and is often limited by the same inhibitors. Those range from low scalability and oftentimes tacky user interface. The financial world is still dying for a savior in terms of perfecting financial transactions. Luckily, a concept developed by a highly skilled team of blockchain and web-based development experts has put together an impressive tech that enables entrepreneurs and businesses around the world to turn their communities into thriving economies. This concept is called Fuse. It's a borderless development with an ever-transactional flow that supports peer-to-peer networks. It features a platform that allows millions of people to transact easily with no hassle. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Maniac. Today, we'll be discussing the Fuse network, the benefits it offers its users, its utility token, use cases, and why you should actually own some Fuse. So hit that like button, turn on the post notifications, and let's dive straight into the Fuse network. So Fuse is a decentralized blockchain-powered platform that utilizes specific design to allow real and efficient adoption of crypto payments and decentralized finances, no matter the user's location. Fuse Network was launched for public use in 2019 and was developed by a team known for their experience in the development of Colu project aimed at integrating local and fiat currencies into the blockchain. Now they're onto a new project and they aim to achieve a similar goal with the Fuse Network. This will be achieved by bringing blockchain-based and crypto payment to the forefront through empowering local projects and organizations into adopting their own network. This is achieved by providing clients with the simple and convenient tools to adopt crypto payments and DeFi services. Thus, they can build mobile-first environments powered by digital tokens with customized mobile wallets. So, what problem does the Fuse network actually solve? Guys, we all know that the current existing financial systems fall short of the objective of providing people globally with access to fast, frictionless payments, attractive financial services, and passive income opportunities. This is prevalent in developing countries where hundreds of millions of people lack access to even basic banking services, let alone access to more advanced financial opportunities. They also often have to transact using highly unstable fiat currencies, prone to episodes of sudden profound devaluation. Proper financial concepts that solve such present-day transactional limitations are pretty rare to come by, and the existing ones face several inhibitions, but that's up until the launch of the Fuse network. The Fuse network has allowed easy banking and transaction services to thousands of people in both developed and developing countries. They have also allowed the promotion of blockchain and cryptocurrency currency use over fiat currencies. Now, what are some examples of solutions built on Fuse? Fuse was conceived in 2019, and since then, real-world implementations used by people on a daily basis have emerged. Here are a few examples. Number 1, Good Dollar, a yield-generating DeFi protocol that aims to deliver basic digital income on a global scale. Number 2, Fuse Cash Wallet, allows you to store crypto together with fiat currencies and deposit from a bank account to receive Fuse dollar stablecoins and earn a 5% APR. In the UK, there is a sustainable local economy project called the People Network that helps socially conscious businesses prosper using next-generation mobile payments and rewards. What are some use cases of Fuse? There are many different parties who can benefit from launching their own digital economy with the Fuse network. Be it a community leader who wants to provide the possibility of secure mobile payments to their community, or a business owner who wants to create their own branded company tokens that provide users with discounts and other benefits from the Fuse network. Additionally, Fuse allows for consumer payments, credits, points, loyalty systems similar to credit card companies, shared ownership, making stablecoins more accessible, and integrating DeFi. Now, what exactly is the Fuse network? The Fuse network powers the Fuse platform and also the entire ecosystem. It's a decentralized, publicly accessed blockchain network that integrates with the Ethereum ecosystem, allowing for the easy deployment of smart contracts to and from both platforms. It uses a variant of delegated proof-of-stake DPoS consensus system and is secured by a wide range of independent validators run solely by the Fuse core team. The Fuse network was designed for enhanced speed and ensures fast block confirmation. Users can send and receive fiat currencies and digital tokens at lightning speed, as the average block interval of the network is 5 seconds or less. Unlike most platforms plagued with high transactional costs that deter users from active involvement, the Fuse network differs and has a low transactional cost. Since the target audience is masses with little to no income earning, the low transactional fee of $0.01 will encourage massive adoption. Also, in terms of speed and variation, the network is capable of processing around 120 native tokens and ERC20 token transfers in a second, a feat most blockchain developments fail to offer. So, what is Fuse's native currency? Fuse token is the utility token of the Fuse network. The token performs a wide range of uses on the Fuse network and other blockchain platforms. On the platform, Fuse is used as a payment, and it is the native and recognized currency. It's used to pay network fees for the approval of transactions. It can also be used during validation and is a necessary prerequisite before a user can be a validator. Voting and other governance issues are sorted out using the token as validators' votes on the protocol for changes on rules or regulations on the smart contract. Your voting power is determined by the amount of Fuse token you have staked. The more staked tokens you have, the bigger your voting power. One other cool feature is that the transfer of the Fuse token in the Fuse platform is faster and accrues little transactional fees because there is no need for smart contracts. How to get Fuse tokens? Purchasing Fuse tokens is pretty easy, as it's available for purchase on several centralized and decentralized exchange platforms. Bitmark and Gate.io are centralized platforms that allow users to buy Fuse tokens. Decentralized platforms like Uniswap, 1inch, Loopring, and KyberSwap on Ethereum. PancakeSwap on Binance Smart Chain BSC and FuseSwap on Fuse allows for purchasing Fuse tokens. The Fuse Cash Wallet is another convenient way of getting Fuse tokens directly from one's bank account by depositing your fiat currency and then swapping it for Fuse tokens via the in-app integration with FuseSwap. There are other ways to get your Fuse tokens, as the Fuse core team rewards members of the Fuse community with Fuse incentives for participating or steady community engagement. Also, the tokens are used in powering Fuse grants and bounties, which can easily be accessed by new users as long as they can stay up to date with the Fuse social media channels. What has Fuse been up to lately? 2021 was a breakthrough year not just for the cryptocurrency and blockchain space as a whole, but in particular the Fuse platform and ecosystem. Fuse brought forth a whole range of positive developments, including an enhanced decentralization of the platform through the creation of FuseDAO in the partnership with Pocket Network, started usage of the platform and its native token Fuse. They launched new major products and tools, including Fuse Cash, Fuse Binance Smart Chain Bridge, etc. Continued progress of payment-focused ecosystem projects, including Good Dollar, People, and Collectivo. Fast expansion of the DeFi ecosystem, the emergence of NFTs on Fuse, and an array of major partnerships and integrations with leading players in the crypto blockchain space. Now, why should you own 1,000 Fuse tokens? Owning a token bestows a lot of benefits to its holders, and they can either stake, trade, or transact the tokens within the Fuse network or on other approved blockchain ecosystems. With its recent high adoption and use of the Fuse platform by business owners, organizations, and families all over the world, this will invariably lead to an increase in the use and demand of Fuse for seamless interaction, driving the price high. For those who will purchase the tokens now, there's a high chance of earning amazing returns as adoptions continue, but that's just my thoughts. Always do your own research, and as usual, hit that like button, turn on the posties, and I'll see you in the next video.